welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Inani K. Reed.
Sisters, how y'all feel? Brothers, y'all alright?
And in this video, I will be, what is the name? I will be doing a perm rod set. Now I know what you're thinking. Baby girl, you're too young for a perm rod set. That's like granny. But anyways, right now my hair, it needs to be washed. So before we get into this, make sure you guys like this video, comment down below what other hairstyles you think I should do or try. And guys, make sure you subscribe down below to my channel, because baby girl, subscribing to my channel is free 99. Yes, free 99. It's a click of the button, literally. So first, to start off with the whole perm rods. Okay, so I'm gonna get like this. This is how big my section is. It's really not that big, but just to show you guys, I'm gonna spray it. So I'm first gonna start off with my Shea Moisture Leave-In Conditioner to strengthen and restore, and I'm gonna follow it up with the Curl Enhancing Smoothie, also by Shea Moisture. If you couldn't tell by the rest of the video, I really like Shea Moisture. So in between both, I'm not gonna show you the other side, but in between both, I have my paddle brush, and I will just be brushing it. Oil. This is my Wild Growth hair oil. This is not what's in this bottle because I've already used it all, and the beauty supply stores are closed, so I can't get another one of this. And what's in here is the Africa's Best. I'll put it on the screen, but yeah, just some hair oil, just a little bit. Just a little bit. I'm gonna use my little glaze, braid out butter glaze, whatever. So I'm gonna use it for every piece. I'm gonna take this big old Cheeto Puff thing, and I'm gonna roll it up, and we're gonna pull. So you're gonna bring it all the way down. Take your little rod, be at the very end, tuck it underneath, roll up a few, and then while you're still doing that, roll it up. But don't roll it underneath each other. Come out on the rod a little bit more. And we're gonna roll it sideways. Kind of like a flexi-rod. This, horizontally, let it hang down like this. Essentially, I'm doing the same thing with the flexi-rod. It's just gonna be a different curl at the end of the day. I literally did a good one right here, and I didn't even get it on camera. But it's okay. Bro, I know y'all see this, bro. Like, I'm so tired. I'm so done. I'm surprised I finished before sundown. The sun's going down as we speak. But baby girl, I look like somebody grandma. I look like Betty Sue. I don't know, but I will see y'all tomorrow when I take these out. Hopefully I did not waste my time looking like Betty Sue, okay? So tomorrow I'll just take them out and we'll take them out together. Okay, I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Today is the next day. Well, I'm not even finna cat with you. It's 2 days afterwards because yesterday I had a lot of online schoolwork to finish because I have a test tomorrow that I need to study for today. So, and then I realized, oh my gosh, I gotta do it early in the morning because I have a Zoom call that I had to show my face for. I was like, I cannot be going to a Zoom call looking like this, looking like Eddie Mae Shirley Sue. So I was like, I need to do it this morning. That's why it's a little cloudy right now. I think it's just cloudy today, period. But yeah, I'm just gonna take these rollers, curlers out, and we're just gonna see what happens. Hopefully everything turns out fine. I get a cute hairstyle out of this, and y'all get a good video. So come on with it. I know y'all see this, girl. It worked. Oh my gosh. Y'all, it worked. Oh my God. Get it up, sis. Oh, okay. I ain't got time. I'm on the time crunch. looking like Curly Sue and how come. So right now, I'm just gonna separate each of these curls as best as I can. It's 9:47. I have to be ready. Well, I have to be done by 11:30. Finish separating for my whole head, and I'll be right back. Okay, so just to let y'all know, I had to go to my meeting, so I didn't get to show y'all the separation process for real like I wanted to. But for my online video, I just put my hair in a puff to stretch out my curls because I didn't like how short they were. Y'all can just see me shaking it out, separating it, doing the doggone things to make sure my curls is elongated, stretched out. Whoop de whoop. I think the curls came out fine. I feel like this hairstyle works for a few people. You know, if you just like how your hair look like this, then baby, by all means, do you. I just did something. This is giving me 1980s vibes with the with the blue and the little thing, this little part with the little off the shoulder. This is giving me 1980s vibes. Your auntie Shirley ain't got nothing on me. But y'all, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I'm funny, I'm lit, and it's free, okay? It's free 99 broskies. It's 0 buckaroos just to hit that red subscribe button. Well, is it red anymore? Comment down below and tell me what you want to see from me, and I will do it. I will do it. As long as it's age appropriate. Yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye. Thank you.